I welcome you all. I'm Ashok Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Master of Computer Applications, GMI College of Engineering. Today, I'm going to talk about opportunities in science. In this, I'm going to speak about Inspire program. Inspire, that is Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research. This is the program initiated by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, for attraction of talent to science. The objective of the program is to communicate the youth of the country for the creative pursuit of science and attract the young talents to study science at an early age. In this aspect, the Government of India has designed some specific model for attracting talent with an aptitude for research and innovation for a career in basic and natural science. There are three models. Model 1, scheme for early attraction of talent. Second model, scholarship for higher education. Third model, assured opportunity for research careers. Now, first we'll discuss about Model 1. It has two components called Inspire Award and Inspire Internship. Component 1, Inspire Award. Every year, 2 lakhs school children in the age group of 10 to 15 years, that is 6 to 10 standards, are being identified to seed and experience the joy of innovation. For this, each secondary school will be receiving 2 awards through the State Science and Technology Center. Rupees 5,000 for each award. The next component called Inspire Internship. The objective of the program is to motivate talented youth to take up research as a personal undertaking. The students can be interacted with the various distinguished scientists, Nobel laureates, and national academic fellows on face-to-face mode. Eligibility criteria for the component 2, that is Inspire Internship. The student should get top 1% in the board examination. I mean the 10th board examination. Next, we'll discuss about Model 2. It is called Inspire Scholarship. This scheme offers 10,000 scholarships every year. Each scholarship rupees 80,000 per year, including the contingency, for undertaking bachelor and master level education in basic and natural sciences. The eligibility criteria for the Model 2, top 1% in the 12th board examination and who are pursuing bachelor and master level courses in basic and natural sciences, that is BSc, MSc, integrated MSc, MS, BS, etc. And also students those who got top 10,000 ranks in joint entrance examination and All India pre-medical test and pursuing bachelor and master course in basic science and natural science are eligible to receive this service. Students who admitted to Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, National Institute of Science Education and Research, Department of Atomic Energy, Center for Basic Sciences, Kishore Vaidyanik Protoshagan Yojana, National Talent Search Examination, and Jagdish Bose National Science Talent Choice scholars are eligible for this scholarship. Next, we'll discuss about Model 3. It has two components called Inspire Fellowship and Inspire Faculty Scheme. Component 1, Inspire Fellowship. Every year, the scheme offers 1,000 research fellowship for doctoral studies in the age group of 20 to 27, and this also opening up partnership with private sector. This fellowship applicable to basic and applied sciences, that is, including engineering and medicine. The eligibility criteria for Inspire Fellowship: the student should get first rank in the master degree level course. Those are eligible to receive the Inspire Fellowship for the doctoral degrees. Next, we'll discuss about Inspire Faculty Scheme. This scheme is to implement high-quality scientific manpower in educational institutions in the age group of 27 to 32. It provides attractive opportunity to young achievers for developing independent scientific profiles. It is not a guarantee for tenure positions after 5 years. I also would like to mention about some of the top science institutes in India. The first one, the Institute of Mathematical Sciences, Chennai, offers courses in physics Mathematics and Theoretical Computer Science in Master and Research Lab. And next one, Chennai Mathematical Institute offers BS, MSc and PhD in Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science with a scholarship of rupees 4,000, 5,000, rupees 16,000 per month. Next, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research offers integrated MSc and PhD with a scholarship of rupees 12,000. Next one, Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Research offers MS Engineering and PhD with scholarship. Next one, Indian Statistical Institute. It has many branches in Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, and Deshpur. We offer statistics, mathematics, and computer science. Next, I would like to give some information about Kishore Vaijyani Protsahan Yojana. After 10th class, the students can get the fellowship rupees 4,000 per month with the contingency rupees 16,000. And students getting to the BSc integrated MSc can get rupees 5,000 and contingency rupees 20,000 during 1 to 3 years. During MSc, 4th to 5th years of integrated MSc, MS fellowships will be rupees 7,000 and contingency rupees 28. Please note down, these are some of the important websites where you can get most of the details for the admissions for the scholarships. If you have any queries about the Inspire program or any queries related to scholarships and fellowships, you can write to me at jashokkumar.tmi@gmail.com. Thank you.